Hi. Let's learn about homeowners associations, HOA, and how they work. A homeowner association, HOA, is an organization that establishes and enforces rules for properties within a community. A homeowner association is an organization that makes and enforces rules for properties in a subdivision, planned community, or condominium building. Residents in these areas automatically become members and are required to pay dues, known as HOA fees. Some associations can be more restrictive than others, dictating what members can do with their properties. Homeowner associations are formed within single-family home communities or multiple-unit buildings like townhomes or condominiums. They establish and enforce rules for the properties within their jurisdiction. Associations are usually run by a board of directors, elected to enforce the rules and regulations set forth in the Declaration of Covenants, Conditions, and Restrictions. HOAs collect monthly or annual fees, typically between $200 to $400 per month, which varies based on factors like amenities, location, and property type. These fees contribute to the association's reserve fund for major renovation projects or emergencies. The HOA board is responsible for the organization's finances, overseeing the collection and management of funds, and imposing penalties and fines on non-compliant homeowners. Most HOAs are incorporated and subject to state laws. Condominium-based HOAs, also known as condominium communities, and organizations governing cooperatives, known as co-op boards, are distinct entities from HOAs in some states and fall under the broader term, community associations. Property owners associations, on the other hand, are more broad and may include individuals who aren't homeowners. HOAs provide regulations and guidelines aimed at preserving and enhancing the community's property values. They may also offer additional services and amenities for their members, contributing to the overall maintenance and appearance of the properties in the zone. Some view HOAs as symbolic of self-governance and democracy, as they are managed by the residents living within the community. One disadvantage of an HOA is the high cost of association fees, which can be a deterrent for some buyers. In addition, HOA rules and regulations may be seen as unreasonable or too restrictive for some homeowners, limiting their freedom to customize their properties. Conflicts and disagreements among HOA members and leadership can also occur due to differing opinions and decision-making. An example of conflicting with an HOA is the installation of solar panels. In some states, HOAs can forbid homeowners from adding them to their residences. In a Minnesota case, an electrical engineer's proposal to add solar panels was rejected by the HOA, sparking efforts to support a bill that would regulate but not ban these installations. This demonstrates the impact of HOA regulations on property ownership. HOAs are responsible for governing real estate developments owned by multiple parties, ensuring building maintenance, making decisions on renovation projects, and drafting/enforcing building bylaws. They provide necessary management services, saving owners time and effort in coordinating common issues like maintenance, repairs, and community policies. Belonging to an HOA can benefit owners by providing management services, but it can also create problems if the owner disagrees with the community's bylaws or spending decisions. While HOAs aim to foster a cohesive community, conflicts and disputes may arise due to differing perspectives and interests. HOAs have the authority to create and enforce community policies, such as smoking, pet, and rental regulations. They also decide on budgets and have the power to charge fees to their members. If members refuse to comply with policies or fees, HOAs can impose penalties, including monetary fines, restriction of privileges, and litigation. Owning property in a subdivision or community with an HOA comes with rights and responsibilities. While HOAs can provide essential services and maintain property values, they also impose rules and limitations on property use, for a fee. Understanding the dynamics of HOAs is crucial for homeowners to navigate their obligations and rights within the community. Here are 2 key takeaways. 1. A homeowner association makes and enforces rules for properties in a community, and members are required to pay dues known as HOA fees. 2. HOAs are run by a board of directors and collect monthly or annual fees for maintenance and community upkeep, imposing penalties on non-compliant homeowners. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.